Hello, I'm here today with some of Dr. Felt's patients, and I would just like to ask you first off, could you please tell us your name and how you became a patient of Dr. Felt's?
My name is Jean Briley, and I heard Dr. Felt's by accident over WGGH, the Marion station. I normally don't listen to radio in the mornings, but I was tuning in to find Ask the Rabbi, and I tuned in early enough to find Dr. Felt's and started listening to him. And he was addressing some of the problems that have been so important to me in the last few years of my life, and so I listened, and I decided that I needed to come to the free seminar and hear more.
Awesome. After you initially met Dr. Felt's and you discussed your health issues with him, what came about then? Have you been seeing him since, and do you feel like he's made a difference in your health at all?
Yes, I knew right from the seminar that he was what I'd been looking for, because my health had been deteriorating, especially my energy level, and I had been praying to find some source for some help that I needed. I had tried all kinds of things on my own, but they weren't working, and when I heard him, I knew that he had part of the answer for me.
Do you feel like, well, a lot of people say, you know what, we like Dr. Felt's because we feel like he really cares about our health. He's not in it, just for money or just to, push people. Of course, he, doesn't prescribe any drugs or anything. Do you feel that his approach and his sincerity has anything to do with how well, it's worked out for you?
I appreciate Dr. Felt's sincerity, and I do feel like that he has my best interest at heart. But I was getting so desperate, I would have tried anyone that could give me something that I could grasp my mind around and start using to help me.
And in specific, and if you don't want to get that personal, you don't have to, but what specifically has changed as far as your health?
My energy level is up tremendously. My cholesterol has went down 30 points.
Oh, wow.
And in the first 3 weeks I was on the program, I miraculously, 10 pounds of weight just rolled off of me.
Awesome.
And I'm more able to work my jobs, and I feel better. So I've already had many pluses on the program, even though it's only been 6 months.
And a lot of people out there are, like I said before, on the fence or not sure. Do you also take some of Dr. Felt's nutrients?
Yes.
And have you found that those have played a part, you think, in how your health has changed and gone toward the better?
Yes, definitely. That's been a big part of my improvement.